You work hard for your money, putting in countless hours and effort every single day. Don't you deserve to see it grow and flourish just like the effort you put in? Investing in the stock market can be your ticket to financial freedom, offering opportunities that go beyond your regular paycheck. It's about taking control of your finances and building a brighter, more secure future for yourself and your loved ones. Imagine retiring early, traveling the world, or simply having the peace of mind that comes with financial security. That's the power of investing. It's about making your money work for you. It's not just about making money, it's about achieving your dreams and turning your aspirations into reality. Many people think investing is only for the wealthy. That's simply not true. Investing is for everyone, regardless of your starting point. You can start small and still see big results over time. Every little bit counts and contributes to your financial growth. This is your journey, and it starts today. Take that first step towards financial independence. Let's unlock the world of stock investments together and discover the potential that lies within. What exactly is a stock? It's a question many people ask when they first start learning about investing. It's a small piece of ownership in a company. When you own a stock, you own a fraction of that company, no matter how small. When you buy stock, you're buying a tiny slice of that company's success. This means you share in its profits and losses. Companies sell stock to raise money. This capital is crucial for their growth and expansion. They use this money to grow their business, develop new products, and hire more people. This in turn can lead to more success and higher stock prices. As a stockholder, you're along for the ride. You get to experience the company's journey and growth. Why are stocks a good investment? They offer the potential for significant returns over time, because when a company does well, its value increases, and so does the value of your stock. This can lead to substantial financial gains. You can then sell your stock for a profit. This is how many investors build wealth. Investing in stocks is a long-term game. It's not about quick wins, but about steady growth over years. It's about patience, consistency, and believing in the power of growth. With the right strategy, your investments can flourish. There are many different types of stocks. Understanding them is key to making smart choices. First, we have growth stocks. These are from companies expected to grow quickly. Think tech startups or innovative companies. Then, there are value stocks. These companies might be undervalued by the market, offering potential for future gains. We also have dividend stocks. These companies share their profits with investors through regular payments. Don't be overwhelmed. Start with one type of stock that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Taking the first step, investing on your terms. You don't need a fortune to start investing. Open an account with a brokerage firm. These days, many online platforms make it easy and affordable. Next, decide how much you want to invest. Even small, regular investments can add up over time thanks to the power of compounding. Consider using a robo-advisor. These automated platforms create a diversified portfolio for you based on your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing involves risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your money grow. Picking your winners, a beginner's guide. Choosing the right stocks might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With the right approach and mindset, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Start with what you know. Familiarity with a sector can give you an edge. Are you passionate about technology? Invest in tech companies. Look at the products and services you use daily. Do you believe in renewable energy? This sector is growing rapidly and offers many opportunities. Find companies leading the way. Research is key. Dive deep into their financial health and future prospects. Read financial news, follow market trends, and understand a company's financials before investing. Stay updated with the latest developments. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Seeking advice can provide clarity and confidence. Financial advisors can provide personalized guidance based on your individual needs and goals. They can help you navigate the complexities of the market. Investing in stocks is a journey of learning and growth. Each step you take builds your knowledge and experience. Take the first step today and watch your financial future blossom. Remember, every expert was once a beginner.